We're used to keeping our airline tickets, concert passes, or ball game tickets on our phone. Why not our COVID test results and vaccine records? Now you can with the Excelsior Pass, a first of its kind mobile COVID passport.
In some ways, I'm very excited about the idea of an Excelsior Pass.
Here's how this works. First, you go to the App Store on your smartphone and you set up the app. Excelsior will ask you a series of identifying questions, and then you upload your results. You'll scan the app upon entry to the stadium, theater, or entertainment venue. And if your records are up to date, you'll be allowed entry. One way to ensure those who enter are, to the best of their knowledge, COVID negative.
If institutions or organizations or venues require the Excelsior Pass, that becomes an issue for people who don't have access to that technology, either because they don't have smartphones or they don't know how to use that technology.
The Excelsior Pass gives you the option of printing your records too. The app was piloted during recent events at Barclays and Madison Square Garden. It was developed by IBM, and because of that, it can be expanded to other states for seamless integration. In a statement, Governor Cuomo said the question of public health or the economy has always been a false choice. The answer must be both. As more New Yorkers get vaccinated each day, and as key public health metrics continue to regularly reach their lowest rates in months, the first in the nation Excelsior Pass heralds the next step in our thoughtful, science-based reopening. IBM followed up with IBM is proud to support the state of New York and believes that this work serves as an example of how new technology-enabled approaches can be used to help foster a safe restart of economies while striving to protect public health. Teresa Priolo, Fox 5 News.